Cordial greetings to brother and companions. My name is Doris Gamboa, .NET Administration. I am 39 years old and currently live and town in Santander, called Chipata. I present the oath to reside of the Buddhist Monument of Faith in Chipata. It is located on the side Loma Agata on the side wall of Mirabuenos. It was there where first Mass of the Andes was celebrated, officiated by Father Fray Domingo de las Casas in January of 1537. This site was institutionalized October of 1919 with the celebration of the 500 years of discovery and evangelization. The member of the Christian fraternity led by Father Lauro Negri and Dionisio Navarro met the motivated the construction of the monument. I invite all my companions to visit this beautiful site, fascinated by its warm climate, beautiful landscapes around in the port that is close to the site. You can miss it. Welcome to Chipata.